Thank you. You saved us. Oh my god.
Oh, that's interesting.
Interesting.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ride the Bean.
Hi.
If you saw the last episode, then you know we were in a bit of an accident in Bolzano.
Oh my god.
And this morning we've sort of spent time trying to figure out everything, the insurance and all the things that we need to figure out. The original plan was for her to go by night bus to Vienna.
Yes.
And me to go over 2 nights camping in the mountains.
Yeah.
Then we had the accident, and in Bolzano we realized, okay, that's not possible anymore. So we changed our destination to Salzburg.
Yeah.
So to have a medium stop.
To have a bed.
To have a
we are
bed.
a bit bruised. So.
Yes. But now this morning I talked to my insurance and all of this, and I figured, and I realized that it's not possible for me to drive all the way to Vienna from here. It's over 500 kilometers, and on a bike with a crooked steering wheel and crooked forks and everything, it's not really safe. So my insurance didn't really want me to do that, which is understandable. So now the plans have changed once again.
Now he's going to take the bus with me.
Yes. So the motorcycle part of this adventure is over for now. It will continue, but I'm going to have about a month plus break from motorcycle riding now.
Yeah.
Because of this. So, I don't know.
But yeah, for the bike it will take a long time to repair, you said.
Yeah, I called the garage here and they said they might make it drivable in a couple of weeks, but if I want it fixed, it might take several months because they have to order Yamaha parts and because of shipping issues and blah blah blah, it can take a long time. So right now I don't really know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now I'm sort of in a sort of limbo state. I'm not really sure exactly.
Well, I think you will just leave it here for a month.
Yeah.
And come back, continue the trip later when it's fixed.
I guess that's what I have to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, the guys here at Oro Verde camping outside of Verona has been really helpful. They helped me translate with everything on the phone, and they let me store all of my gear here. So I can just come back here, pick it up whenever I can,
Yeah.
whenever I come back, however long that will be. I just want to say a big thank you to these guys.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Yeah, that's nice. But now I have to take Munin to the workshop and get it looked at, and they can then give me a quote of like, what they think will happen. So I guess that's the plan now. And you will pack up a little bit and get
Yes.
sorted here while I'm taking the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn it.
That's so stupid.
Yeah, silly. But I guess look at the bright side. This is traveling. This is an experience. We can laugh at this in
And we're not
in a while,
hurt.
and we're not hurt, which is the most important.
Yes.
Oh, bruised. But we limp
Yeah.
a little bit, but it could be worse.
Yeah.
So, I guess this episode will be about our bus ride to Vienna. Yeah, that's fuck. Right, let's get on the road. I guess this is my last ride in a while. Bye bye, see you later. Yeah, you see the whole steering is crooked. It's bent and the forks are pointing sideways, kind of. It's not very pleasant to ride. I don't see any major damages on it, but the insurance company is right. Like, it's stupid to ride now. If something happens now, then it's 100% my fault. So let's just ride to the workshop and see what they say. It's so weird to drive now because I don't have the feeling in the steering wheel. It's sort of crooked. And I know Marion should have been wearing protective gear, but we didn't have any. She bought a helmet, but it was a little bit too expensive to buy full motorcycle gear for a 2-day trip. Ah, yeah, I'm back at the campsite. That shop couldn't help me, so they sent me to another shop. I was looking around and finally I found it. So this was a Yamaha store. So now it's at the Yamaha store outside of Verona. So now we just have to pack up camp, leave our stuff here, and then take the bus to Vienna.
Come on, let us go down.
Holy crap!
I don't need.
Yeah.
Let us get out. Oh my.
We're taking the bus now, the first bus,
Oh,
and it's a nightmare. I missed my bike.
that's so
How
sad.
the hell do you do this?
It's so,
Bus after bus after bus.
it's so sad.
What now?
Some food and coffee is this way.
Food and coffee.
Yes.
Yes.
And drinks.
So now we are in Verona again, in Plaza Bra, Piazza Bra,
Yeah.
and our bus leaves at midnight. And now it is 5 o'clock,
Yes.
4 o'clock, something like that. And so we have some hours to kill. First, before we do anything else now, coffee.
Hello.
Ciao.
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 We need a coffee,
Ok.
a cold coffee.
Sì, sì, solo un caffè.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yes.
This looks very nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sì, sì, esatto. Ciao.
This is a really nice cold brew. I think now we're just gonna chill for a couple hours and then yeah, wait for the bus, I guess. I don't know what else to do and get some
Ready
food.
for your first bus ride in a
Yeah.
long time.
It's a 12-hour bus ride.
And we go to.
Vienna. No, Ljubljana first.
Yes.
We have 2 hours in Ljubljana.
Yeah.
Maybe we have some time to walk around there. And,
Maybe that would be nice.
we're at 5 in the morning.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
like this.
We'll see. Well, see you on the bus.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You saved us. Oh my god.
That was a close call. We were on the wrong side of the bus. When the bus stops, and there was a bus stopping in front and we didn't see it coming. And then the bus started driving, and I had to run after it.
He stopped it. Thank you so much.
See you in Ljubljana.
So, welcome to Ljubljana. Now we are in Slovenia, of all places. Ah, what a nightmare.
No.
Did you slept on the bus?
Yes,
I couldn't
slept
sleep.
the whole
This,
time.
this
Oh yeah, really?
bastard woman next to me was snoring so
Ah,
loud.
there was a woman?
Yes, that was an old lady, like an 80-year-old lady.
That was so loud. I was thinking, is it you? But no.
So, we were so lucky to make the bus though.
Oh, yeah. you
Holy
saved us.
crap, that was... we were waiting at the bus station in
Verona.
Verona, and the bus, a lot of buses came. We didn't know which side the bus was coming on. And then I just saw a bus leaving, and I was like, no, that's gotta be it. And I ran after it and waved like a crazy
Jumped in
person.
front of it.
Yeah, almost jumped in front of it. And the bus driver was like in Italian, like with his, with his hand signals, like calling me an idiot.
Yeah, yeah,
But then he finally stopped
yeah.
at a red light, and so he let us on.
Oh,
But now we have 2 hours to kill in Ljubljana. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Our next bus to Vienna is at 7. So we figured, why not to take a walk around Ljubljana? It's a bit dark, so we can't really see too much, but it's a beautiful city. I've been here before, but it's like 8 years ago or something. But here is the facade of the big famous church in Ljubljana. And then that castle is pretty cool. And I know they make a lot of honey here.
Oh yes.
This is like a honey capital of Europe. This is kind of my favorite moments. Like walking around the city right as it wakes up. This is the church with the door, I think. I don't remember the story of the door, but apparently it tells like a very important or impressive story. This is it.
Wow.
It's pretty impressive.
And the door handle is someone's head.
Yeah, apparently it brings luck to touch it or something. I don't know. Don't remember. I can't really tell the story, but I think that's a pope on top.
Yeah, it looks like.
And a bunch of cardinals, and then some knights riding through. So it talks about a war and a famine or something, I think. And then another bishop. And the crowds of people
Getting bread.
getting food, yeah. Oh, that's cool. This brings back memories for me.
From the 18th century.
18th century. Here's the dragon bridge. I think it was something about these dragons are guarding the entrance to the city or something.
That's an easy guess.
Right. Well, I think this was the tour that I remembered from the city. not the biggest one, but now I guess let's get back to the bus and go to Vienna.
Yeah.
So see you in Vienna. I guess.
Tomorrow? No, today.
Today.
Later today.
Later today. Right. So we finally made it to Vienna. Welcome to Wien. Now we are just looking for our hostel. So we have about 2 hours to walk to the hostel. There was no bus connections that we could find. But in the middle there is a coffee shop. So I think we need a coffee.
Yes.
But first we have a 1 hour walk through Vienna
So we
before
can
we
see
get to the coffee shop.
what it looks like.
Yeah. And then a 1 hour walk from the coffee shop to the hostel. So it's a perfect halfway point. Holy crap, what a journey.
But how was the night in the bus?
That was terrible.
You didn't sleep?
I didn't sleep.
Oh,
I slept half an hour, I think, this morning.
yeah.
We found the coffee shop. 1 hour walk. It's hard work lugging around a suitcase through the hot sun. But we found the coffee shop, and now I think we deserve a coffee. What a weird coffee shop. Turkish coffee. Oh, they have some really nice espresso machines. What do you have here that's cool, special?
We have Colombian Castillo in the specialty grinder, which is like fermented, very acidy, very fruity.
Okay.
Just
For espresso?
yeah, for espresso, and for filter we have El Salvador.
Do you roast here or?
Actually, we roast ourselves, but not here. Like 20 minutes outside of Vienna, in Korneuburg. It's called.
Cool.
Do you know how they say hi in Austrian?
No.
Grüß Gott,
Grüß Gott.
which means greeting God or greet God.
Greet God. That's hello.
Yeah. So I thought you would like that.
Yeah. This is kind of an interesting concept. It's
Yeah.
just a hole in the wall. It was called-
fucking hell!
Oh, sorry.
You dripped on me. Yes. Yeah, it's just a window.
It was called Window Coffee.
Yeah.
It's a good coffee.
So I guess yours is hot.
Yeah.
And what is it?
It's a Colombia.
Is it filtered?
It's filter coffee.
And you have the cold brew.
That's good, but it's very not very dark, but dark compared to what I'm used to.
But don't you...
It's like it's nothing super unique with it. It's just a decent cup of coffee. This is cool.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's a unique place. It's strange, but they have really, really cool equipment.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Interesting noise you make.
Oh. This was fun. This is what I like in milk coffees.
It tastes like nothing else. This is a natural coffee, so it tastes very fruity.
Yeah,
It's like red berries, kind of.
it's unexpected, yeah.
This is what I love in
yeah.
in milk drinks,
Yeah, this is nice.
but you almost never get it. This was a very pleasant surprise. These were the first.
Average.
Yeah, the first were good, but this was really interesting.
We still have 1 hour to walk.
Yes, this is only halfway.
I think we need to rest a bit before it goes.
But we have made it from Vienna to Vienna. Vienna
Yes.
to Vienna.
Yes. Or Vienne to Vienne if you speak in French.
Vienna to Vienna. I don't think there's much more to show you today. This was sort of a. This was supposed to be an episode split in two again,
Yeah.
with Marion taking the bus and me taking the bike. But shit happens and
Yeah.
plans change,
Yeah.
and yeah, nothing we can do about that.
Yeah.
We made it. Tiring. I really, really miss my motorcycle.
Oh, I miss it too.
But yeah. Now I'm gonna have to be a couple of weeks without. So the plan in the next couple of weeks now is we're going to Norway,
Yes.
and I have to go. The reason I'm going home is to fix some things at my cabin that I have to do. Yeah.
And I'm coming because I want to see Norway.
Yeah. What are your plans in Norway now?
Hiking, exploring the cities, learning the language,
Yeah.
finding a job.
Do you want to stay there for some time?
If I can, yes. Why not? I want to work abroad, so while I'm there, I will try there.
Yeah.
It's a place I've never worked in, so I want to try.
That's cool.
And I can become fluent in Norwegian.
Why do you like Norwegian so much? Where does that come from?
It's not just Norwegian. I like languages, and Norwegian is like the next on my list. So I started with English, then German, then Dutch. I did a bit of Swedish, but I found out that Norwegian was more interesting. So that's the next on my list. And after, I want to learn a Slavic language, so maybe Russian, because I can speak to a lot of people with it. And it's beautiful.
Oh, you chose the right one of the Scandinavian languages.
Yeah, yeah. I prefer the nature in Norway, so.
So the next few videos, I don't really know exactly what we're gonna do, but the next couple of videos will be mostly just me showing her around Trondheim and the mountains around my cabin.
Yeah.
It's gonna be interesting. So if you want to see that, then click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video.
No. First, we're exploring Vienna.
Oh, yes, of course.
We have so much to do in Vienna. We have a whole list of coffee shops that
Yes.
we were recommended to go to.
Absolutely.
We've been carrying a list of cafes to check out since week. So,
I forgot that.
Yeah,
of
coffee
course.
tour.
First,
Very important.
First a video or two from Vienna,
Yeah.
and then we go to Norway and
Yeah.
make a few videos.
Yes.
So, don't miss that if you are interested in those things. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
You're so tired.